Hello everyone! Today we're going to have a look on example of settings in Automode through usual service port with such motor manager device like Tesys T. I will use in Automode written by me and software utility which I named Tesys AutoSet. In plain we will set 7 settings, 6 of which related with user map, and 7th we will enable phase loss. For clarity, we will compare time consumed in manual and auto mode. So in the first chapter I with help move manually make settings in the two Tesys T devices. Launch move connect by service cable and by same time run the timer. Make settings in the user map. Then, in the current protections, enable phase loss protection. Connect to second Tesys T. If the first Tesys I have connected through HMI panel, so to second Tesys I have connected directly. Also, it is no matter. I just have a say about possibilities to work as through HMI as directly to LTMR by service cable. Make the same actions as on first Tesys T. It is taking time 3 minutes 47 seconds or 227 seconds. Actually, let's take back necessary settings to zero state. In order to accelerate, I will make this by my Tesys AutoSet. Ready. The settings have back to zero. Now let's have a check one of the two devices that was back to zero necessary settings. Again connecting. As you can see in user map, everything in zero. Phase loss protection also disabled. Try to set it in auto mode. For my Tesys AutoSet I have prepared two config files. One file for zero out, another one for installation necessary settings. Just replace necessary config file in the software folder, run utility and connect by cable to device. Utility itself define appearance of connection and make necessary settings. Simultaneously run the timer. Everything it has taken 16 seconds. Now try to check again through some move that settings have been made. As you can see, that phase loss enabled. Part with user map looks like with necessary settings. Same things we will check on the second device. Summary: we have 14 times less consumption of time in auto mode make settings. Moreover, if we have great number of devices, then after third decades in manual mode productivity is going down. Also, it is highly likely commit an error with settings. Precision of work in auto mode is 100%. Software utility itself will make settings, for user only need connect from one device to another one.